G'day guys, Calvin, Cartoon in New Zealand. I'm not your ordinary link dealer. I work from the family farm, in the farm workshop. I do mainly 1UZ engines if you guys haven't picked up on the rest of my channel. But I also do quite a lot of aftermarket ECUs. And I don't really mind which aftermarket ECU I use, because to me they're all the same principle. And once you understand the workings of them, and their own little idiosyncrasies, their own little techniques or the way they do things, you're pretty much sorted. You can just work your way through and the same information applies. But the problem I'm going to look at today is the Link G4X not communicating properly. And I've come across this a little bit. I went and bought this laptop. It's a little HP unit. Oh, what actually is it? Let's have a look at it here. I don't even actually know. Well, it's an HP. Yep, little HP laptop. And I brought it mainly for doing Link ECUs and ECUs in general. We had an incident with a sprint boat. There was flames. The boat moved forward and the laptop went in the water. It wasn't my laptop, so I was really happy. And I didn't want to use or lose my workshop and my office laptop to water, so I went and bought this one. And then it doesn't communicate with some G4X ECUs. Now there's a problem. What I found though, if I go get my other laptop, bam, it goes in just fine. So there must be something different in the settings on this laptop causing it not to go in, or with the ECUs. And I know there's been some talk on forums about the communication on the X. Came across a little post. Someone's made some changes. I'm going to give it a try. See if it works. Let you know if it does. Then we'll give some credit to the guy who posted that. So let's have a look. So I got the little monsoon down there. Yep, good. Got the little UZ motor down there. That's what the loom used to look like. Yes, that's what the loom used to look like. And that's what it looks like now. So considerably different. And ECU controls, connect ECU. It says up here it's searching. Here, and it's powered up, yep. There's the ECU powered up. Absolutely, there's a little blue light. And we're still waiting. So this engine happens to be going into a Lamborghini kit car. Yep. So there's the badge from it. That's really heavy, eh? We're still waiting. So you can see, if you're waiting this long, then it's probably not going to work. ECU controls. You can see it searching there. We've got options, connections. It's on auto. It's on auto port detection. 38400 in the baud rate. Yeah, the baud rate. I think I pronounced that correct. I'm a bit marginal with some of my pronunciations. And it's still not working. I came across a post on Facebook, down in here, on one of the Link forums, about uninstalling and reinstalling, going back in the firmware, or going back in the tuning software. That probably isn't going to work as we get newer ECUs with new firmware, if you use different tuning software. There's another bit down here with regard to uninstalling a new driver, or reinstalling the Link driver. Before I do that, I am going to check that I am on the latest firmware. So I'm going to go and grab the latest firmware first, just to see if Link have solved the issue. And as you can see, here it is, it's still going. Still searching, it's not happening, nothing's coming up. It actually hasn't brought up an error message on this one, it's just continually searching. Software version on this one, about 6.1844 PC Link version, 6.1844, which is exactly what they're referring to here. .61844. Right, let's get new firmware, see if there's new firmware first. So I am going from 6.1844 to 6.1965. And it is telling me that it is 9 minutes of download time. 8 minutes left. You know how I said I work from a farm? There's no land-based internet here. It's only on my mobile phone, which is sitting over on my toolbox. And I'm okay with that, but the weather's been raining. So I'm also okay with the fact that it'll go slow when it rains. Normally, I'd just go off and do something else. So I'll be back to you soon. I'll go play with some engines or something. And we'll come back and talk to you once this is downloaded. I'm saying it's 10 minutes now. It's going backwards. It's 14 minutes. Now, oh, it's back down to 7. There's our warning. Unable to connect to ECU. Please check the ECU is properly connected. Power is turned on and the correct COM port is selected. Oh yeah, well, that took a while. Oh, better get rid of that. Okay. Yes, please. Rightio. New firmware. Oh, new software. Look at that, we went straight in. Now that is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I'm so happy. I wasn't quite expecting it to do that, but I've just upgraded to the latest software, which is, let's have a look here. So this is 6.19.65 from 15th of November. And it's all working like it should. So that's really cool. Let's hope that the other ones that we go through also connect like they should. So that's really awesome. Now I can get on and do my adjustments. Talk to you later.